Where would you go? Imagine booking a summer vacation that costs more than some people make in a decade, staying at exclusive estates inaccessible to the typical traveler, enjoying meticulously curated experiences that redefine luxury. Each year, the super-rich embark on summer retreats that go beyond mere opulence, delving into levels of extravagance that would leave even the most seasoned luxury seeker in awe. This is a glimpse into the world of $500K vacations, where every desire is anticipated and every whim is catered to with precision. In this comprehensive exploration, we'll dive deep into the enclaves and hidden gems where the wealthiest retreat during the sweltering months of summer. Seeking solace in splendid isolation or extravagant social gatherings, true luxury lies in exclusivity and privacy, crucially important to those spending $500,000 on a summer getaway. Among the most sought-after destinations are private islands in the Caribbean, such as the elusive Mushakai, owned by illusionist David Copperfield. This paradise is often rented out in its entirety to a single guest, offering a level of seclusion that is unparalleled. Here on Mushakai, the rich and famous can indulge in their own tropical sanctuary without the prying eyes of the public. Personal chefs, butlers, and a plethora of staff are ready at all moments to ensure every aspect of their stay is as perfect as the picturesque sunset views the island offers. The lure of complete isolation also drives the ultra-wealthy to luxurious mountain retreats in places like Courchevel, France. This ski resort town not only offers world-class slopes, but also includes high-security villas and chalets designed to cater exclusively to the elite. The service here goes beyond mere accommodation. Each estate provides a gateway into the pristine alpine beauty, with helicopter transfers and personal ski instructors as just the tip of the iceberg. Moving beyond just plush environments, what truly defines a $500K vacation is the custom-tailored experiences that cater specifically to the interests and desires of its clientele. The concierge services involved in these vacations operate discreetly but impactfully, arranging everything from closed-door shopping sprees with high-end fashion brands to private concerts with world-renowned artists. Consider a typical evening on Necker Island, Sir Richard Branson's private resort. Guests might find themselves enjoying an exquisite dinner crafted by Michelin-star chefs, followed by a firework display over the ocean, and a live performance by a famous musician, all organized to fit the mood and preference of the guests staying at that moment. Moreover, the burgeoning trend in these ultra-luxury vacations is the emphasis on unique, once-in-a-lifetime experiences. Whether it's a private viewing of the crown jewels, a submarine trip to the Titanic, or an Antarctic expedition aboard a luxury icebreaker, the common denominator remains the same. The experience is tailored to be as exceptional as the clients themselves. In summary, the $500K vacations of the super rich are meticulously crafted masterpieces of the travel and leisure industry. These experiences are designed not only to include the finest things the world has to offer, but to deliver them in a way that is both exclusive and personal. Redefining the essence of luxury travel. As long as exclusivity and unparalleled service continue to be the hallmarks of luxury travel, the allure of these magnificent vacations will persist, sparkling like a diamond in the world of travel experiences.